Dude, check out my ring thing.
Huh?
Check out my ring.
Hey everybody, check out my ring.
Yeah.
It's a little face.
Yeah, I'm recording. Shut up.
It's a little face.
It's like, aww.
It's a little pirate patch too. Just because I like pirate patches. Put
Brandon's
it, Brendan.
drawing a
Brendan,
penis.
you're retarded. Fine,
Brandon,
I'll
no,
draw
we're
one.
filming.
There. Okay, happy? Alright. There. Satisfy everyone.
Oh yeah, it does.
Exactly. Anyway. Brendan, shut up.
Disturbing.
You the one who started it.
Anyway, and I'm gonna give it a little top hat.
You were just gonna write penis. Ooh, I see. By the way, I have 12 and a half minutes of film, so just take your time.
Muffin.
That's not anybody's book, Brendan. Stop.
Muffin. Hey, that's my book.
What's it say?
Anyway, French muffin.
You
See, I gave it a
oh,
little
you got a
mustache.
mustache. Okay, good.
Mustache.
Good. Now
Anyway.
do something happening to the muffin.
Okay.
Like, get speared in the side or something. God, it's vicious.
Isn't it?
I said spear, not
It is a spear, retard.
I spit.
Same difference. Anyway.
I hate it when you say that because it doesn't make any sense.
Oh, hell. There. Anyway,
That
and
was so great.
that's a blood. So it's gonna be a blood muffin.
It's a blood muffin.
Blood. Anyway, and, let's see.
We'll put it on YouTube.
Alright,
of course.
I'm gonna draw fishy. Fishy, it's a goldfish.
Your hands in the your pen hit my.
Alright, it's a goldfish cracker.
You forgot its fin.
Goldfish.
Fin.
Aw.
Epic story. Anyway.
Oh,
Goldfish
epic
is
story.
so-
No, show
Wait,
the
no, we will
viewers.
show it later.
Show the view. No, show the viewers. No,
Viewers
show
suck.
the view.
Here.
Hey, don't be mean to the viewers. It's all we got.
Anyway, and then Fishy's all like, I will eat the muffin with the straw.
The bendy straw?
Of course. See bend right there.
I don't even see where the straw is.
It's right there. It's like drinking a muffin.
Oh, okay.
It's all like,
Oh, I see it
slurp.
now. Oh wait, show the people your rocket.
Where'd my rocket go? Oh.
The rocket in your hand. It's in your pocket. Sorry.
Oh. Anyway,
I love how you're a
the
girl.
fish
and
gets a party hat.
Oh shit, that's the bell.
All right. Bye, everybody.